So this tutorial is to demonstrate how to separate a file to create a mold using Maya. Now first, we're going to go over a very idealistic condition, and then we're going to move forward and describe how that can be utilized on a much more difficult scale. So as we can see here, we have created this model in SolidWorks that's very idealistic. We have our outer face, and then we have our inner face, and we've created this groove that can be very easily deleted in Maya to separate the two files. So now we're going to import that model. That's very difficult to see, so if you select F, it'll focus it. And then to get some more definition, we're going to go to Smooth Shade All. And by selecting Alt, holding it down, and then left clicking, you can rotate the box around. And as you can see, that's our shape that we started out with. Then if you just left click, and then hold down your right click, and drag around, you can select faces. Let's make sure that worked. Face. And then to zoom, select and hold Alt, and then right click, and you can zoom in and out. And now we're going to select these faces on that groove. To select multiple faces, you can hold Shift, now we're going to delete those. Just hit delete on your keyboard. And as you can see, there's a clear separation between those two. Now we're going to go select Object, and now up to Mesh and Separate. Now it's created two different files. So if you select the interface and hit W, we'll zoom out a bit. Now you can select the XYZ axis, and you can actually move and separate these two. And as you can see, we have the inner features of a mold and the outer features of a mold. So now to give you an idea of how this can be utilized on a much larger scale, we're going to go ahead and delete these two and import in a different file. So here we have a very high definition scan. Now if we zoom in, you can see that we've actually gone along the surface and selected every edge all the way around this object. We've selected a face and deleted it all the way around. Obviously this is a very, very time consuming and tedious process. And in fact, we've already separated these files. So if we go back, and now we're going to select Object because there are already two objects. You can select this one and move it, and you can see there are actually two separate files. Your inner and your outer.